So here's Miso. He's tired. He's been kind of lethargic all day. Hey puppy, say hi. Aww. It's okay.